today, guys, we are gonna join Pip, even though he's not our friend. No, not that. The TTD, and then we'll go to the group. Ano?
Naka-record ka. Just online. Naka-record ka.
He's not playing anymore. The only one playing is Louie.
Bakit naka-record ka?
Hindi ko naman ipopost sa YouTube. Yan ako lang.
Nagre-record ka talaga?
Nagre-record lang ako.
Nagre-record ka talaga?
Para ma-memorize ko to. This is literally the best day ever. Join Louie. Join Louie Blocks.
I already did.
This is literally a once in a lifetime. What the Sigma? Doon.
Ano kasama ko dito?
Doon nga tayo. Tayo nga.
Anong tayo eh? Sa labas nga ako magtutulog doon. Ha? Ha?
Unan kang unan.
Oo nga, doon ako sa labas. Hindi pa lang magkatabi.
Miguel, nakalagay you've joined and Lou. Someone bought my upgraded Titan speaker man for 199 gems. What the heck? You fake partner. That's not fake. That's not a fake partner. Why someone so dumb? His literal IQ is 21. No. Miguel, I can buy another future large block, man. I'm gonna buy the red laser. I'm gonna try and trade Pip.
Bro, they're not accepting trades.
Oh. This is literally a once in a lifetime. Oh my god.
Tingnan mo ko dito na.
Hello, Nakari.
You can finally hear
Dito nga.
Ha?
Dito na lang.
Ha?
Wait. Oh, come on.
Tingnan mo ko dito.
Eh, sabi ni Nini.
Kaya ako bagay mo kami yun.
Doon nga tayo eh.
Someone selling a camera will consider them.
Where are they?
Yeah, right here. Yo, please literally equip from you.
Where I see him. Pip, I can't. And look at Pip's inventory. Oh my god, I saw your inventory, not his. Oh my god, these people are annoying.
Bro, literally.
Yo, what the heck are those? He has 3 of the Titan cams.
I wish I can trade.
Miguel, this is not the first time he met at a YouTuber.
What do you mean?
Remember, we are both YouTubers. Didn't think about that, buddy. I haven't uploaded videos in a while now.
Bro, I thought. Where's Pete? Where's Pete? I'm just gonna follow Pete because I met him.
Yeah, me too, me too.
Oh my god.
Pip, Pip, I'm literally in front of Pip. So, there's a penguin. Pip, Pip, remember me in natural disasters? It someone said that. It's partner Pip.
Oh my god, there's a lot of people doing this.
Everybody.
The Atlantic joined. The Atlantic joined.
What do you mean Telantic joined?
Someone just said the Atlantic joined. The Atlantic joined?
What do you mean?
Let's not be unsinkable.
No, Telantic didn't join. No, it's Pip. It's Louie. It's Louie. It's Louie. It's Louie. It's Louie. It's Louie. Bro, they're literally running from us.
I don't know where to keep
Oh my god, so much people are literally going insane. So much people are going insane. Please sign, bro. Please sign. Please sign. I'm literally in front of you. Nine.
Someone kaya yung upgraded Titan Green one. Because I can trade him back now. Someone just called me the pipe.
What do you mean pipe?
Bro, somebody. Someone should name it again.
Wait, what? Where? Where?
I just saw it. I'm not so because I don't.
I knew. Pip is not here. I see Pip. I see Pip. I see Pip. So much people are jumping.
Oh, I dare me.
Jump for hooray.
Cameraman. Oh, wait.
So much people are begging for sign. My god, so much people. People are begging. Now I'm just gonna trade Louie a billion times until he. This is literally a once in a lifetime. I don't care if he's not accepting. I just wanna trade him. Miguel, I hope I see myself when they post a vid. Miguel, I hope I see myself when they post a vid. This is literally insane. A once in a lifetime. Ano? Pip, 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 Pip. YouTubers, YouTubers. It's literally elite cameraman. It's literally elite cameraman.
That was in silent type, bro. That was in this camera.
Miguel, this guy's name is Rip
Oh, I
UTTV.
thought that was Steve. I thought that was Steve. I thought that was Steve.
Someone's name is Rip UTTV. I want to kill that guy. Gonna try and trick people and I'm gonna say I will sign. No, I don't wanna trick people. I'm literally inside Pip. Wait, what's inside Pip? Miguel, there's so much people inside Pip. Don't zoom in. There's so much people inside Pip.
Okay. Oh, what the hell? Bro, no. Oh, I thought that was Steve. Kasi I saw a literal on time.
We did. Tasing mo. I'm trying to look at Pip's inventory, but I keep looking in yours. I saw Pip's inventory. It's the Pip ran.
Oh, I saw. Where's Steve?
There's Pip. Is he here?
Steve, so I need to follow.
Pip is they're still here. Yeah.
No, it's opening up here, okay?
What?
Someone just got some.
I'm literally following him. I'm literally following. Totally not Louie. Whitey. Someone's name is Nico.
Oh, hello, they're back.
This is a once in a lifetime. And we did it. What the heck? Someone opened the hyper. No way. I'm gonna scroll. But this is literally a once in a lifetime.